Hello guys, review smartphone Tecno Camon 18. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device, of course, documentary, protected back cover, adapter for charging, and this we have headphones and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. Device made of plastic. On the back side, triple camera LED. On the front side, display 6.8 inch. On this side, power key and home keys. Power key with fingerprint scanner. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Full HD resolution display, 90 Hz. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6769H, octa-core, 6+2 core. GPU Mali G52. Resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. Okay, good. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark and run the modeling game with San Andreas. Look how this game works on device. Resume game. Game works very good on the max graphic level, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.